Hello guys, welcome back. This is KHS for After Effects tutorial channel, and welcome again for my another very exciting tutorial how to create butterfly particles on live action footage by After Effects. So let's start. Create a new composition, select your video and select one of the scene you want to work on it. So I think this video is looking better. Go to composition menu, trim come to work area, play now. Good. So now turn off the audio and control K for the composition setting. Make right here main comp and set the composition to HDV. Select here HDV, press OK. Right click, transform fed to comp. Play again. Here's. So lock the video and create a new light right here. Emitter, enter, OK. So move the light to right side, press shift, go far and go up, go to right. Here is. So press P for the position turn on. In 2 seconds, press shift. One, two. In 2 seconds more, come to screen, little bit down. So 1 and 2. In 2 seconds more, going out of the screen of the scene. Here's. So play now. Here's the light gone. So now time to create new solid, and right here particles, go to effects, go to track code particular. Don't forget save your project, desktop, name it project 1, save, yes, and go to emitter and select the emitter type to lights. So now change 0, 0, 0, 0, emitter 0. Here is the particle light is coming and going out. Let's go to Illustrator. There is the butterfly. Go to tools and select the symbol sprayer. Go to window, turn on the symbols and go to library, turn on the nature. Here is a lot of symbols. Click and drop. Ctrl Z. So here I have the butterfly, and go to file, export as to desktop PNG. Yes. So go to project, double click, desktop, select the butterfly and create a new composition. 400 pixel right here, particles, symbol. So 0 0 0, set this one to 2 seconds, then 0, press OK. So Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, create a new composition, 400 400, and right here particles symbol, because I want to create a new composition for the butterfly. In 2 seconds composition, 400 pixels, press OK. Don't change the main comp setting. So double click, import the butterfly and drop to here, zoom in and select the rectangle mask to middle point of the anchor drop down. Select the move tool, select these 2 points, move up and Ctrl D, press M, invert, select all, close, turn on the 3D switch, select the first and make 50, press R the rotation, minus 50, stopwatch, go to 15 frames, change again to minus 50 and this one just 50. Go back to second one, change this one to 50 and this one minus 50. Frames, copy paste and copy paste. You can work it with expression, loop expression is good for this animation. Press Alt. Need faster animation for the butterfly, press Alt. Okay, select again, copy paste, select all layers and right click pre-compose, right here butterfly 1 and duplicate from the project, drop to composition, Ctrl K, change the time to 10 seconds, press OK, move this butterfly here and HE saturation, double click, change the color, double click again, press R the rotation, make it minus 50, need to like perspective butterfly animation, Ctrl D, duplicate one more and Ctrl D, duplicate. So trim your comp, go to composition, trim comp and go to main comp, go to project, there is particle symbol, drop to main comp and turn on the 3D switch and select the particles, Ctrl S, save and go back to particles, select particle type sprite, go to texture option and select particle symbol, random loop, press Ctrl, slowly increase the velocity. not too much, just in 30. 5, 5, and 5. Particle seconds rate, and 15 change the size rate, and 25%. So go to where? Rendering, motion blur, turn on the motion blur, and go to size over life, opacity over life, and life seconds, make a 5. So let's render or test the results. There is 3 problems. The first problem, let's mask the particles. The second problem, direction of the butterfly. And the third problem, increase the size. Go to particles, select, rotate, select this one, rotate, and select this one, rotate, and rotate. Go back to your main comp, looking good. And now time to increase the size. Here is the size, make it 25, make a 35, $50, good, and change the life seconds to 8. So change particle seconds to 25, and there is velocity distribution. Velocity in motion. Okay, good. And now let's mask the character. Go to life seconds, make 15. Change velocity motion to 15. And select the particles, emitter, and particle symbol. Right click, pre-compose, move all attributes. Right here, the particles, enter. So double click, turn off the particle symbol composition, and select the particles, zoom in, select the pen tool, mask from this point. Here. So press N, invert. When the particles is coming, stopwatch the mask, and press V, move here. So There is the particles are coming. Move here, press page down, so select one point and page down more, page down, page down, so here is the animated mask result. Before rendering, go to edit, purge all memory disk cache for the fast rendering result, and let's render now. Press little bit feather, little bit, here is, and let's render again. Here is the final result. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.